Hi everyone, my name is Giovanni Bernetti, and my presentation is going to be on Alexander Grothendieck. So, the life of Grothendieck. He was born on March 28th, 1928 in Berlin, Germany. Uh, his parents were Alexander, sorry for my language, but I can't really pronounce these names, but Sharperio and Joanna Grothendieck. Um, he was later then a French mathematician. He studied, and later became the leading figure of modern day algebraic geometry. Uh, with this, he opened up a lot of doors in mathematics that we will later discuss. But he also studied and later became the lead. Oh, I already said that. He also that he united ideals that could be used towards any mathematical avenues. He also got awarded Fields Medal, which is in the top right-hand corner, which you're looking at, and the Crawford Prize in Astronomy and Mathematics in the bottom right-hand corner. And the Fields Medal is a medal awarded to mathematicians under the age of 40 at the International Congress. It is one of the highest accomplishments and is even considered like the Nobel Prize in mathematics. Um, and then all of this, he later then died on November 13th, 2014 in Saint Girons in France at age 86. Okay, now we're going to get into his college education. So, Alexander Grothendieck went to a total of 3 colleges/universities over the course of 8 years, all which were located in France. While at school, Alexander felt dissatisfied with some of the mathematicians that had been presented to him. Montpellier, which is in the upper right-hand corner that you're looking at, was the first experience in mathematics that Alexander felt dissatisfied with the teaching he was receiving. After graduating from Montpellier, he took some very good advice and spent the next 2 years attending yet another college called École Normale Supérieure, something like that. Sorry for my my language. Which that college was located in Paris, and then he would attend Henri Cartan's seminar, which was all about algebraic topology, which is the study of geometric properties and spatial relations unaffected by the continuous change of shape or size in figures. So what you're looking at, I have all 3 of the colleges and when he went to them, and some pictures to go along with that. All right, discoveries and advancements. So, Alexander built on work of Weyl and Zariski and effected fundamental advances in algebraic topology, as I just spoke in the last slide. He introduced the K-theory, which was mainly like the study of a ring generated by vector. He named it this, referring to the German word Klasse, which means class in English. Along with this, his creation of the topos theory is a category theoretic generalization of point set topology has influenced the fields of set theory and mathematical logic. Also, on top of this, Grothendieck recognized that there is a being hiding behind a given algebraic equation or system of equations called a scheme. These spaces or solutions are mere projections or shadows of the scheme. Moreover, he realized that these schemes inhabit a rich world. All of his discoveries led him to winning countless medals and the recognition that he deserves because of his determination and his hard work and his work ethic. So here we're looking at a list that his discoveries and advancements. Revolutionized the field of algebraic geometry. Scheme behind a system of equations. Constructed new cohomology theories. He created new unifying themes in topology, complex analysis, algebraic theory, number theory, and category theory. Very productive career. He had a very productive career as a mathematician, and then he became a leading expert in theory of topological vector spaces. Then I have a picture in the right-hand corner for you. And then last slide, his contributed, oh my gosh, I can't speak right now. Contribution to mathematics. Grothendieck was considered by many to be the best mathematician of the 20th century. Without his work and discoveries, we would not be in the advanced society we are in today, along with advanced curriculum we have in today's schools. Not only did he make such an impact on math, but also made a huge impact on how everyday things are created. Grothendieck used his remarkable capacity for abstract thinking to make advances across the entire spectrum of mathematics across the globe. And I don't know why I put in that part right there, so let me just get rid of that. Sorry, I didn't get that. Yeah, and that will be my presentation. Oh, one last one, and there is my sources. Thank you.